Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 6 is poised to outshine its predecessor in a key aspect. The Galaxy Z Flip 5, a leading clamshell foldable in the US, has been lauded for its impressive performance and expansive cover screen. However, its battery life falls short when compared to conventional smartphones like the recently introduced Galaxy S24 Ultra. Rumors suggest that Samsung is developing an enhanced battery for the Galaxy Z Flip 6, expected to be unveiled by July this year. According to reports from Galaxy Club, Samsung is experimenting with larger batteries for the forthcoming Galaxy Z Flip iteration. The Z Flip series utilizes two separate batteries due to space constraints. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 from last year incorporated 971 mAh and 2620 mAh batteries, amounting to 3,591 mAh, although the advertised capacity is 3,700 mAh high. Discover how Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 6 is set to revolutionize the smartphone experience. Dive into this video to uncover the secrets behind its enhanced battery life, superior camera capabilities, and innovative foldable design. Don't miss out on the future, it's flipping open right here. The successor, however, is rumored to include 1097 mAh and 2790 mAh batteries, totaling 3,887 mAh, which will likely be marketed as a 4,000 mAh unit. This increase from 3,700 mAh to 4,000 mAh could significantly enhance battery performance. Coupled with future versions of the One UI software, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 could potentially outlast its predecessor. It is also hoped that Samsung will introduce faster charging capabilities with the new Galaxy Z Flip 6, as the current 25-watt charging option is subpar compared to rival offerings. While there are no further details on this potential battery upgrade, it's important to note that Samsung is only in the testing phase with these larger capacity batteries, and their inclusion in the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is not yet confirmed. As for the Galaxy Z Flip 6, little is known at this stage. However, an August 2023 report by Galaxy Club speculated that Samsung's 2024 clamshell foldable might boast a 50MP primary camera on the rear. If true, this would be a significant upgrade, considering the Z Flip 5 is equipped with two 12MP cameras that are largely similar to the rear cameras of the Galaxy Z Flip 4. In other news, Samsung is rumored to be launching an entry-level book-type foldable, alongside the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. This strategy is reportedly aimed at boosting Samsung's foldable market share in China. However, it's worth mentioning that Samsung has previously dismissed rumors of a mid-range Z Fold model in development. With approximately 6 months remaining until the release of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6, we anticipate a few surprises. The Galaxy AI features that debuted on the Galaxy S24 series are also expected to be incorporated into the Foldable Duo later this year. It remains to be seen whether the company will unveil any new AI capabilities alongside the foldables. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with our latest content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, click on the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss an upload from us. Remember, your support helps us create more content for you. Until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next video.